We need to be a high-performing team, not just a happy team. I have urgency problem with my team. I feel like their output is always late. What should I do? Ito yung mga panahon na kailangan mong i-gather yung team and raise the problem and collaborate on problem solving and decision making. I had a similar problem a few months ago, no? Kasi yung culture sa aming team ay very very relaxed, no? You can start your work anytime. Okay? Hybrid ang work arrangement. You are only encouraged to go to the office twice a week. Most weeks. Pwedeng work from home. So, unti-unti, medyo napupunta kami doon sa overly relaxed, no? And sabi namin, nagkakaroon kami ng similar problem, no? Yung urgency to finish task. So we sat down, pinag-usapan namin, anong kailangan natin gawin para maiwasan to? Because this is not good for the company, this is not good for the team. It's also not good for our growth. We need to be a high-performing team, not just a happy team. Okay naman yung happy team, pero happy, high-performing team dapat. So we sat down, pinag-usapan namin kung anong gagawin. How we need to be strict with deadlines, how to deal with team members na hindi nagsasubmit nung kanilang trabaho on time. So, norms, no? Rules of engagement. And, syempre, reinforcement, follow through. To make sure that positive behaviors are recognized and negative behaviors are called out. No? So, yun yung pwede mong gawin, Danny.